here we go.
Hey guys, welcome to the channel. We are going to unbox Infinity Fuse 100, so let's get started. This speaker comes with great packaging, and let's open the speaker. Here we have a USB cable for the charging purpose. Here we have lace to carry easily. Finally, here we have the speaker Infinity Fuse 100. The rugged, compact and waterproof design will make sure that Fuse 100 can sustain all your coffee spills and careless drops. So let's power on the speaker. You should connect the speaker with your device, tab or the smartphone with Bluetooth.
Connected.
In order to on the deep bass mode, you should press the volume buttons. It has some 8 hours of battery backup. The speaker gives great vocals and the music looks very decent in the speaker. And if you have two Infinity Fuse 100 speakers, you can play the music at a time with the both speakers. It is a good speaker from the HARMN company, and I think this is a good choice around the budget of 1200 to 1300 rupees. If you want to purchase the product, you can buy it by link in the description. Thanks for watching, and see you soon in my next video.